Hey guys, what's up? My name is Cody Ray. In today's video we're going to be doing a meal prep. I'm going to show you what I cook for the week and how I pack it and whatnot. So yeah, stay tuned. Today we're going to be making chicken fajitas with brown rice, so keep watching if you want to know how I do it. So we're going to start off with chicken thighs. So what I have done, I cut it up into slices, and since the slices are slightly big, I cut them in half again, or if you want, you could also cut the chicken into cubes. So next we're gonna go with the vegetables. So what I have are 2 green bell peppers, and what I'm doing is cutting them in half and then slicing them, and then also I have 1.5 onions to cut and slice as well. And when I'm done slicing both vegetables, I put it in a bowl to set aside. Also, I want to know who cries while they cut onions, because sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. So let me know down in the comments if you cry while you cut onions. So here I'm just taking about a teaspoon of garlic and adding it to the bowl of onions and bell pepper that I just cut, just to add a little more taste into the chicken fajitas. So here I have my pan on the stove already, it's already heating up, and then I'm adding a little bit over a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to the pan so the chicken doesn't stick. So now we add the chicken to the pan. When I usually cook meat, I like to add salt and pepper just to give a little more flavor to the chicken. When the chicken is halfway cooked, I'll add in the onions, bell peppers, and garlic. What I did while the chicken and vegetables were cooking, I had covered the pan so the vegetables can steam and soften a little bit. After uncovering the pan, I'll usually toss the vegetables and chicken just so everything could evenly cook. Now it's time to add some salsa. I added about a cup of salsa, and then I had mixed it all together so it could all incorporate, and then I added a little bit of chili powder. So while all the seasonings and sauces are mixing up, I started on making my brown rice. So I did 2 cups of brown rice with 2 cups of water. So here I'm just adding a little bit of lime juice just to add some citrus into the chicken fajitas, and then also I drained 1 can of black beans and also threw that into the pan as well. So at this time I had already let the chicken fajitas sit and simmer for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to show you how I pack my food for the week. So with my clean eating plan, I actually focus on portion sizes. So since I'm doing that, I will measure out my brown rice and my chicken fajitas. So right now I'm using half a cup for my brown rice, and then I'll be using 1 full cup for my chicken fajitas. And as you can see, I have 5 Tupperwares laid out, and it'll be all set for the week. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll try to keep up a routine of uploading and filming videos, so just check out my social media on Instagram and Snapchat, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!